channel. My name is Rose and this is RoseJayCreates. So today I wanted to recreate another bracelet. If you've seen my video, I've made a bracelet before and this is what I use to make these, but this time I'm going to make something different. I am going to put little mini like corn kernels in them. I got these off of flour. This was an artificial plant. And I liked it because it looked like miniature corn kernels. So I am just going to turn the camera down and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. And this is the same silicone mold I used to make this. I'm going to try something different. I like these little miniature corn kernels, and so I'm just going to stuff them down in there. And I'm going to do exactly the same as I did last time. Just fill it. These are so tiny and I don't always have the patience. But when you're working with resin, you kind of have to be patient because it's very finicky. And the resin I use, I get it from Amazon. And I'll show it to you at the end of this video. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And hit the notification bell so that way each and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So I'm just going to put as many of these in as I can. And then I am using this necklace pendant, and I wanted to create a necklace, a matching necklace. So I'm just going to fill it up. This is my first time trying this, so I hope it turns out great. I think it'll turn out fine. Okay, I think I have enough. So now I am just going to start pouring my resin. I'm going to start pouring it really, really slow. I don't know why I didn't use my syringe here. I poured in here first. And this resin is feeling really warm, which means I need to use it right away because once it starts to heat up, it's starting to cure. And some of it is pouring out on the sides. I'll clean it up. I'm so messy. Okay, I'm just going to continue pouring. And you know, I have two different types of syringe. So let's see, I've never used this. Oops. Let's see. And I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that if I'm blocking the view. You can get these little disposable syringes from Amazon. And then I actually have a syringe injector that I got from the dollar store. So I'm trying this one out for the first time before I use my injector. But this is working out really well. I kind of like it. Always keep a damp paper towel, a damp towel. It's setting good. I had another bracelet mold around here. I don't know what I did with my other bracelet mold. So I just kind of dumped everything in there, and I'm just going to kind of move it around. And as you can see, it kind of went around evenly. Okay. This is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. I have an injector as well. It's probably just easier. Much better, much quicker, much faster. No muss, no fuss. So I got to try 2 of them out. The disposable injector, and this is a meat injector. And I love it. This is definitely getting an A+. And you can get this injector from the dollar store. I got it from the Dollar Tree. Just so this disposable injector gets a C+. This injector, this meat tenderizer injector, or this meat injector gets an A+. Okay guys, so I am going to let that sit for 24 hours, and then when I come back, like I do with all my other videos, I'll show you the end result, and I'll just keep playing around with this, getting any excess bubbles out, and I'll show you what it looks like when I am done. So again, as always, thank you for tuning in to Rose J Creates. Please hit that red button, that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that way you'll see when I upload more videos. And as always, thank you for tuning in to Rose J Creates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and you're tuning into Rose J Creates. So I wanted to show you the very last project that I had worked on. And it was these bracelets that I had done. And I wanted to show you the other bracelets that I've done. Give me 1 second. I'm always jumping up and down. So these are the bracelets that I had done when I did the video, because I like these little tiny, they look like miniature coin kernels. And I wanted to do something that was sort of springy. And so you can see one is thin, one is thick. And I need to order larger silicone bracelet molds because these are kind of small. And when I ordered them, I wasn't taking into consideration that my wrists are a little bit fat. So I can't fit my wrists in it, but I just wanted to show you the project. So I'm going to order a bigger silicone mold so I can advertise it on my wrist. And this is another one that I had done. And you've seen the video when I've done this. And I put gold leaf paper in it. I just kept it clear and then just embedded gold leaf paper in it. And I got a lot of likes on this, so make sure you guys go back to this video and hit the like button and leave comments. And then this is the necklace. I decided to, make the necklace to go to it. Let me turn it around. And so this is the necklace I made with the, looks like the mini corn kernels. And so I did bracelets and a matching necklace. So I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. This is another bracelet I did with the chunky glitter. So I like working with resin. And if you follow my videos, you'll see if it's something you want to get into, it's really, really easy. Sorry, the camera went out. But if you want to follow me on YouTube, just, subscribe to my channel. That way when I post videos, you'll get notifications. Make sure you hit the notification button so you'll get notifications on whenever I'm posting anything. And I'm also on Instagram, RoseJayCreates as well. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and I hope you like what you saw.